All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a pretty cool one. I got a pretty nice slicer from Yez EDC right over here inside this pretty hard case. Would you look at this thing? They're coming out underneath. Always check underneath the padding. You're gonna find some screwdriver to take this apart, and in this case just an extra central part. I'm gonna show you it in a second because here we got this pretty cool piece. By the way, if you want to get this one, maybe check out fablades.com. There might be some available right over there. Dimensions of this fella is 53 millimeters long, 32 millimeters wide, and 13 millimeters thick. This fella is not a lightweight one, because in this case we got a lot of parts. I'm gonna show it in a second, and this is zirc, and I believe that's brass, 116 grams on the scale. So just a quick size comparison. You got right over here the Mackie CP2, right over here Chinyu Battle Shield. I got a Wanwu Bulletproof Shield right over there, and of course Lautier Shuffle Aces. This is the zirc one. Also a couple left on fablades.com, guys. Check that out. But here we are here to check out this fella right there, and as you can see, this has a very similar construction to and principle to this guy. So 3 parts, sliding. This is a slider, and also it has a rotating part, which is this side over here, which is freely capable of moving along this axis. So you can just slide it up and down. You can just rotate it like that, and it's really pleasant. This is pretty much brand new, so I don't know how much is gonna be wearing in, but I'm telling you guys, this is really smooth. Like, this movement is just gorgeous. I like it. Magnets are strong. As you can see, I'm just pretty much holding the back and just sliding the top, and that's my preferred way for this toy. So you can just you know, go all the way. You can have it snappy, because this guy is just not hinged, so it's just riding and sliding across the track with that pin, and that is very, very interesting. On this side, you can see you have 1 and 2 stops right over here. The third is just gonna act as a clicker. On the back, you have one that just detaches the back. So you see it goes inside, so there's not enough room to do a full stop on the back, so you can maybe use it as a clicker, but it's because this one slides, you have to go all the way back, so this hits the pin, and then from here you have a very, very loud clicker, because of these tracks is just only on one side. Very, very interesting construction. It's the first time I'm seeing something like that. I really love the fact that of the independent side, that it's just spinning around, whereas, for example, like in this case, it just goes on one side. Of course, this comes off, but it's, I mean, that's meant to do that. In this case, you have the hinged and not detaching and sliding and rotating. That's why it's this guy is one of my favorite also on Fablades, if you want to check that out. So guys, this is a pretty cool one. It's a very, very interesting slider, as some nice circuit board going on across the logo, and of course it has this speed themed face right over there. So there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.